Good morning, everyone. Calling all my fellow astronomy and astrology fans out there. Hello, my name is Brent L. Delmo, here to deliver you all some information on galaxies and the universe. If you wish to be guided on your learning, go to page 270 of your science book and let us begin. Before we dive in much deeper about the galaxies and the universe, let us familiarize ourselves with the concept of galaxies. Galaxies are huge collections of stars located in the universe. This is analogous to when most people live in houses or cities that are close together. The universe contains hundreds and billions of galaxies, and each galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, in fact. We all know that gravity is the one that scientifically holds everything together. But when scientists examine how galaxies rotate and interact, they notice that most of the matter is invisible. This is what we call as dark matter. Scientists hypothesize that 99% of the universe's mass is dark matter.
Now, let us move on to the types of galaxies. We have spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. In a spiral galaxy, the stars, gas, and dust exist in spiral arms that begin at the central disk. Some spiral arms are long and symmetrical, and others are short and stubby. Spiral galaxies are thicker near the center, a region called the central bulge. Next, we have elliptical galaxies. Unlike spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies do not have an internal structure. They have higher percentages of old red stars than spiral galaxies do. Some are spherical, with shaped like balls, and scientists expect that many elliptical galaxies formed by the gravitational merging of two or more spiral galaxies. Last, we have irregular galaxies. These are oddly shaped that form from the gravitational pull of neighboring galaxies, and they contain young stars and have areas of intense star formation.
In fact, galaxies are not evenly distributed in the universe. Gravity holds them in groups called clusters. Some clusters of galaxies are enormous. Most clusters exist in even larger structures called superclusters. Between superclusters are voids, which are areas of nearly empty space. Scientists suspect that the large-scale structure of the universe resembles a sponge, with that little holes resembling clusters of galaxies in all different sizes. Our solar system is in a spiral galaxy that contains gas, dust, and almost 200 billion stars, called the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a member of the local group, a cluster of 30 galaxies.
Where is Earth in the Milky Way? It is hard to find out, but I will show you a picture of the Milky Way in two perspectives, a view from above and a view from the edge. In this way, we can also determine the different parts of a galaxy. Here is a view of the Milky Way from above. It measures about 100,000 light years in diameter. These spiral lines are called the arms, and at the center, there's a supermassive black hole. Let us now look at a view of the Milky Way from the edge. Our solar system is expected to be located right there. The structure that looks like a vertical line is called as the disk, and the light shining from the center is called the bulge. We also must not forget about the arms and the halo. The dots located near the Milky Way are called globular clusters.
There is a theory where it says that the universe began from 1 billion of years ago and has been expanding ever since. This theory is called the Big Bang Theory. The universe is 13 to 14 billion years old, as scientists most agree. The universe was so dense and hot that the atoms did not exist back then. But the universe cooled down and stars began to form, and gravity pulled them into galaxies. As the universe expands, space stretches, and galaxies move away from one another. Scientists observe how space stretches by measuring the speed at which galaxies move away from Earth. As the galaxies move away, their wavelengths lengthen and stretches out. You have probably heard the siren of a speeding police car. When the car moves towards you, the sound waves compress. As the car moves away, the sound waves spread out.
Similarly, when visible light travels towards you, its wavelength compresses, but as it travels away from you, its wavelength stretches out. It shifts to the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum. This is what we call as the Doppler shift, because the universe keeps expanding, like some galaxies is redshifted, and it is also faster as it moves away from Earth. Due to this, they suggest a force called dark energy, which pushes the galaxies apart. Like dark matter, does not quietly comprehended. And that is where our discussion ends. I hope you have taken notes of some of the important details, and we hope you have learned something from this discussion. That is it. Brent Delmo signing off. We thank you for watching this video. We wish you to keep safe and have a blessed morning and goodbye.